dance with me.
What's up guys, Visual here, but you can call me James, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing the ultimate graphic design PC. So guys, before I do start with this PC unboxing and review, I would just like to mention I'm in a new room. As you can tell if you're a long time subscriber, I have now moved rooms. I used to have a really small room. I did a setup video ages ago on it and it actually blew up, so I'm going to be doing a setup video in my brand new room soon once it is finished. As you can tell, it's quite bare, it's really echoey, so apologies for that. Regardless, in this video, as I said, I'm going to be unboxing and also reviewing my new computer. I got it from Cyberpower PC, which is a website where you can actually purchase pre-built and also custom computers. This video is in association with Cyberpower PC, however I still purchased a computer. They gave me a small discount. I'm allowed to give my honest opinion on it, so I will. Before I do start with the unboxing and review of the computer, you may be asking, James, why did you purchase a new computer in the first place? And that's because my old one was dying. It had really bad specs, it was running slow, and especially for what I do on a day-to-day basis, graphic design, editing and so forth, I need a good computer. So what I did, like any normal person would do, I searched for computer companies. Now I didn't want to purchase a computer that was just straight pre-built. I wanted to customize it to my specs, and as well as that, I don't have really the time, and also I don't have the patience to build my own computer, so I thought I'd try and find a website that will do it for me. So then what I did was I customized the computer on their website to my needs. Of course I don't game, so I don't need like a top graphics card, but I do need like a lot of RAM for Photoshop, so I customized it all to my preferences and I purchased the PC. In around about 7 days the computer did arrive, so now is time for the unboxing section of this video. Of course you guys want to know the specs and so forth, that will be later in the videos. So guys, when it came to the packaging of this PC, it was actually really well done. As you can see, it does come in a really big box, and then inside that there are smaller boxes. So we've got the motherboard box. Enclosed in that is the cables that you do require, so like the power cable, and then after that you have the PC in the case box. So I chose the, I think it's called the Master Box, yeah, Master Box Lite 5 from Coolmaster. I really struggled to actually get the PC out of the case, as you can see, but once I did, I just removed the film, which is actually really satisfying, and then after that you actually have to take off the panel, which is really easy. You just unscrew it, and then inside there is like extra layers of protection when obviously it's being delivered. So you have like this weird foam thing, and then you have some airbags, and you can just remove those, and then once you've done that you can literally turn on the PC and start using it. So now that you guys have seen me unbox this beast of a computer, you can see when it turns on it looks so sick. I'm going for a black, red and white theme for my whole room and setup, so this PC worked really well. I made sure to choose the red LEDs, and I really don't regret getting the LEDs because I think they look so sick. Regardless, you guys probably want to know the specs now of the computer, so I'm going to be going through them now. I'm only going to be going through the main specs that you guys may want to know, so here they are. So first of all, we've got the CPU, which is an i5 8600K 6-core processor, and then for the CPU cooling, to keep the CPU obviously cool, we've got the Corsair Hydro H60 liquid cooling system. So the liquid cooling system basically makes the computer cool. That's pretty self-explanatory. And then for the memory, we have two 8GB sticks, so we have in total 16GB of DDR4 RAM. So then for the GPU, we've got a GTX 1050 Ti from MSI. It's a 4GB card. Now I never game at all on my PC, I'm still a console noob, so I play on that. As for the storage, I've got a 2TB hard drive in there, and I also have a 240GB SSD, which I actually installed myself. I'm very proud of that. I had the SSD laying around, so I thought I would install it myself, which I did, and it worked perfectly fine. It was quite a struggle to put Windows on the SSD, but I guess that was partly my fault, but regardless, the SSD is in there. So guys, as I partly mentioned before, on the website you can either create your own PC and customize the specs, or you can actually purchase a pre-built one, which actually may be cheaper and it may serve you better. So as you can see, I'm on their website and I'm on the Creator Series gaming systems. I will leave a link to it in the description down below, and they have PCs dedicated for streamers, influencers, designers, and 3D game developers. So they have a lot of options, and you can actually build your own as well. So you can build your own designer PC, you can build your own developer PC. There's a lot of options there. So guys, I've been using this computer for around about 3 days and it's worked perfectly fine for my needs. I do a lot of graphic design, heavy graphic design as well. I have loads of PSDs open and it's coped with that perfectly fine. As well as that, with video editing, it's worked as well. I use Sony Vegas 15, and also for just general web searching, music listening, everything's been fine. It seems a lot quicker than my old computer, which is a really nice feature. Windows actually boots really fast as well, since I have it on the SSD, and also Photoshop. So yes guys, that is it for the unboxing and review of the Cyberpower PC. I will leave a link in the description down below to my specs and also the website, as I said before. I'll also leave another link to the Cyberpower Creator Pro series, which I did mention, and on that site you can see PCs for streamers, influencers, and also designers, so you can check both of those out if you wish. I'm excited for you guys to see my full room tour and setup, so that will be coming soon. Hopefully you did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like. Anyways, this has been Visual or James, and I'm out. Peace.
Not the same, we're not the same. We're not the same, we're not the same. Not the same, we're not the same. We're not the same, we're not the same. What they call you, that's a different name.